Hey, Damien.
Yes.
Hey, this is Ricky, Powell Street.
Yep.
Just want to see how we can help you out with this house.
Yeah, so it's an inheritance from my mother who recently passed away a couple months ago. And then I'm looking to try to sell it quickly because I'm moving to New Hampshire in a couple months to take a job offer. So I really just wanted to live here till June, close on it, and then me and my sister to sell it.
Okay. Yeah. So right now you are living in the property, and ideally you'd like to get it sold by June, and that's when you're going to move out. Yeah, we're definitely kind of good type of buyers if that's what you're looking for. We kind of specialize in convenience, so you could kind of pick the closing date, take what you want out of the house, leave the rest. So if there's stuff you don't want to bring, moving across state and everything like that, no worries. Is the property already in your name, or did it go through probate?
So that was a question. I didn't know if it right now still in my mom's name. I just literally got back from the city's house and district, and they were unsure if I had to move it into my name to sell it, or because I have the paperwork from the surrogate court.
Okay.
Where did I have? I just
do you know?
It says it's in my name, and me and my sister the executioners of the estate.
Okay, so it sounds like you're the executor, and that's a good thing. So you should be able to, if it's both you and your sister on that, and then you guys would probably both just need to sign off. So as long as that's fine, and you guys are kind of on the same page with everything. Do you know, is there any mortgage on the house?
No, it's completely paid off for.
Okay. And do you know, do you guys owe any taxes or water bills, any liens?
Water bill that I need, but I'm going to pay all the taxes and water bill before the closing.
Okay, so you should be all caught up there. That makes things
caught up
perfect
with, before the official sale.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that always makes things pretty easy. We could close quickly. So now, have you thought about, if you're looking to kind of sell it this easy, convenient way, of what you guys are looking to get for the property, if it's an all cash offer without realtor commissions or other fees involved?
I have to sit down and talk with my sister to make sure but I think we I know the house value. I think I looked up the house value on Zillow, and they had an appraisal thing. I gotta find the appraisal paperwork for it's official, because I don't believe the value I saw. I think on Zillow says 110, but I don't know if it's worth that much. I know house and went down and stuff like that. I don't think
Zillow, the Zestimate is it's kind of all over the place. I mean, sometimes they'll give you a really high number, a really low number, similar the tax assessment number, you know what I mean? It's just not really accurate. The best way to kind of try to figure it out is we'll just look for houses kind of in similar condition in a quarter-mile radius, and just kind of see what those are selling for. And then typically we have to obviously buy at a price where we could buy it, fix it up, and then sell it, and still have a profit for us on the back end.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we'd be happy with if the value is worth 100, and I have to do a little bit more research right now. I'm just trying to get everything in order, and obviously I'm going to talk to a couple other people to see what's going on, but just want to see is it I'm going to try to find the property value, and then I don't know how much you guys usually offer. I think I've read online you guys usually offer 60% of what the property's worth or something like that, depending on how many repairs is needed.
Right.
Like that.
Yeah, I would say that's somewhere along the lines. Every house is going to be a little different, and how much work it needs, how long it's going to take us to fix it up. You're kind of looking for a sale like this and not looking to take it to market. Obviously, if you called up a realtor, or we could even list it for you, but that process, you'd probably kind of want to be moved out. You're not going to be able to time your move as well.
Yeah, no,
and then have to do some repairs and stuff like that. So I mean, that's how you would get the full retail value. But if you're in a situation you kind of inherited, you're trying to just move on with your life and kind of get what you can for it, to guys like us, probably the next steps would be up-to-date photos right now of the property condition. I'm on
photos of the property. I can take photos of the property. I'm living in the property. I know.
Yeah.
There is some substantial damage.
Okay.
There's the ceiling thing in the kitchen that's a little it needs the tiles things repaired. There's a hole in one of the walls, and then just some regular maintenance on the cabinets and stuff like that.
Okay. Yeah, if you could just snap a couple photos for me and send it. This is my cell phone I just called you on. So some good news, man, is I was actually just talking with the team, and we're definitely interested in the property. It kind of checks all of our buy boxes. The condition, obviously, you know, we both needs work. You know, we only really buy properties that need work. Thought more about like a price or what you're kind of looking to get for it if you're just kind of selling it this way?
I think starting at like 35,000, but
yeah, somewhere around in that range.
Yeah.
Probably early June.
Yeah, early June, somewhere in the year, somewhere between like I forget the exact week, but like I think like June 5th, I think, somewhere around that time frame.
I could set it to like June 15th. And then as we get closer, just to not put you on such a tough, a timeline, you could just decide whatever day you want to move out. Just let us know, and we'll update that with title, and then we'll be good to go.
Okay, that sounds good. Not take that much with me, like the couch is going to stay, and like I'm just taking like the essentials and stuff like that.
To sign, if we could do that.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Just hold on 1 second. Hey, Damien.
Yes.
We're ready to get moving forward on this at 33.5.
I think that'll work for me. I would just I'm going to call my sister a little bit later on, and then tomorrow can I get back to you?
Yeah. What I'll do is I'm going to put this all in writing. Our contracts are like really simple, but it's just going to have like it's as is. We're paying all the costs. This is going to be, all cash offer to you guys. And then it's going to be just a DocuSign to your email. As soon as I get those signed back from you, Damien, from both you and your sister, that will secure our funds in on the deal. So we'll open up title. We'll get our earnest money into title. And then we're pretty much good to go until June. Probably at some point, probably a few weeks prior, we'll just want to double check on the property that it's in similar condition to the way you sent in the photos. And that's really it. So if you want, maybe just talk to your sister tonight, guys, and just go over the agreement. If you have any questions, give me a quick call or shoot me a text. And if everything looks good, you can just sign, and I will get that back on my end. And then I'll just be in communication with you until we head kind of to closing. But there's not much else you'll really have to do on your end or your sister. Agreement over in your inbox in the next 5 minutes or so.
Okay, sounds good. And I'll get to sign it sometime tomorrow, just after I go over with my sister.
Okay, perfect. Yep. As soon as you get that signed, it hits my inbox. We'll start the title work on it.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Glad we could help you out, and I'll be in contact here over the coming days and weeks. So let me know if you need anything.
Got you. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, man. See you.